Flight 2291 to Charlotte.
I finally made it. Child boo. That flight, it was a lot going on with that flight. I'm talking about for the flight being delayed. Like, it's, first of all, it is midnight. It's 10 after midnight. I was supposed to get here at 9:09 p.m. I get on my second flight, you know, I'm about to film my little, like, I'm gonna continue filming my vlog, whatever, cool. How about the flight attendant gonna tell me, oh, you can't record. I said, what? You can't record when we're taking off or landing. I feel like she only said that though because before I was about to record, she could like see herself in the camera or whatever. I guess she didn't want to be in the video, but if that was the case, she could have just said, could you not get me in your video? But I wasn't even fucking recording her ugly ass. I'm like, is that a law or a policy? She's talking about some, that's our policy for safety. Policy for safety? I'm like, okay, so when people be recording takeoff or landing on their phone, is they gonna get, you know what I'm saying, is they gonna get dealt with? Vlog, Destiny?
Oh no,
Destiny, you look fine.
Oh, I feel like a little girl right now.
What the fuck you mean?
My hair's not done. It's not. Oh, you're recording? Oh my god!
Destiny, don't be camera shy. The purpose we pull up like Sunday service. Y'all ever want to drink? Hold on. Copyright. Y'all ever want to drink, but y'all don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying, like carry the full bottle? Get you like a little water bottle and then pour your Blanco tequila in here. It's gonna look like fucking water. Nobody's gonna question you. Show y'all my fit. My shirt, which is a scarf, is from the beauty supply store. My pants are from Thailand. And then this a necklace. Yeah, it's real cute. It's giving a girl's vibe, for sure. That's a good ass deal. They have everything. Period. Thank you. Cheers. It looks really good, actually. Okay. We'll do a little taste test in a second. I done had 2 drinks.
Just spicy sauce?
Yeah. Thank you. Alright. Well, I mean,
Delicious tastes good. How cute it is in here, y'all. I don't be knowing how to. There you go. Oh shit. Okay, look how cute it is in here. It's super cute. We finna go bowling after this and everybody finna get their ass whooped because y'all know me, y'all know my body. Y'all know my body. I'm gonna win. Watch this shit. I promise you. Mark my words. Shot. Yeah. Yeah, this is a cheers.
Oh, you're literally drinking shots.
no, stop!
Words, I guess.
I think it's the best one I had.
Right?
Yeah, this one's
It's
good.
like green apple, but like sweet too.
Yeah, it's kind of sour, but I like it. Chug. There you go.
Oh my
I was
god.
not expecting that. Wow. Cheers, y'all. Chug. Yeah.
There you go.
I'm not gonna lie, maybe it's my turn.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah,
I'm done. I took 3 shots before this. I'm done. Learn how to wind my hips. I can't do that.
it's just like
I don't know how to do it.
circular motion.
No, it's like a.
Yeah.
No. It's,
Okay, do like you're like on the hula hoop. Don't move your fucking chest. Relax your legs. You know how you about to like twerk? You know how you do the leg thing?
yeah.
The leg thing, yeah. Go down. and then move your hips like you're hula hooping. So like step. Yes.
I feel good as hell, y'all. Damn. That my hand, fuck.
It's dark as hell.
It really is. No, it's
light.
no, it feels. I don't know.
Like I don't know.
I don't know. My eyes just feel like they're burning.
Yeah, right.
Alcohol and liquor do not mix.
You said alcohol and liquor?
Yeah. Wait. Alcohol and heat. That's what I meant to say. Alcohol and heat don't mix. I didn't think I was gonna be that drunk.
Nah, girl. You had fucking 3 shots. Fucking 4 or 5 margaritas.
Oh shit.
Woo! Come on, get! Come on, get! Come on, get! Woo! Got it, shut it. Okay, where's my phone? That's the phone.
It's right here.
It's right here, yeah.
Let me charge my fucking phone. Shit.
Girl, if it can charge.
Fuck you.
My charger's broken.
My phone's on 3%. What the fuck? Nah, 3% is crazy. We're finna go bowling. I'm finna whoop their ass. That's the little thing they don't know. I'm really good at bowling. If I don't win, I don't know. I'm not gonna lie. I'm finna win.
I don't know.
I gotta get into the game.
I didn't even bring socks.
They probably got socks at the thing.
I don't want no sheer socks that see through. I
No,
don't want no
I think
fungus
I think they're gonna have socks,
I
like
swear to
actual
you.
socks. You don't think so?
My toasters, if they do not have fungus, if I get fungus the next day, I'm coming back up again. I'm suing the hell out of this. I don't want no sheer socks. Oh, but I have socks in my car. I could have just used my work
Why
socks.
you didn't grab them?
I should have grabbed them, right?
Yes. I need to find my bowling ball. I always get a lucky number 8. Ooh, this is a small one. So this just might be an 8. Let's see if it's an 8. It just says small. Where's the number on it? This is a 9. I can roll with this. Yeah, I can roll with that. My phone is dead. Dead. My phone is always dead though. Suave.
Yo, she from East Atlanta. If you wanna come over, come ride me like your Rover.
Morning, get a happy Mother's Day. Y'all, it's 8:21 in the morning. We're on the way to Publix right now. I need to get I'm about to do like a flower bouquet, but I don't have, okay, hold on, let me slow down because my thoughts are moving way faster than what's coming out of my mouth. We're about to go to Publix. I need to get I want to maybe get 2 bouquets and then get some greenery and then get some accent pieces or whatever. Then I'm gonna like wrap it in like the cute little paper and stuff, and probably get like a bottle of wine. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not trying to spend nothing too crazy. Maybe like a cute little $40. Just something real cute and yeah, cute and girly. You feel me? I know the vibes. The selection is terrible, I'm not gonna lie. These all kind of look like dead and deserted and like nobody loves them or nothing. And then there's like these. I don't really like these that much. I ended up not getting the little roses. Destiny had the smart ass idea.
I didn't have to say it like that.
Y'all know.
Flowers don't look that cute.
Y'all, they outside,
I think
okay?
other people's flowers are better.
Are better?
Yeah, let me turn back around.
They outside. She got some cute looking flowers, I guess. They're okay looking. We done spotted our victims of mainly red. They have red and white with like the cute little, what's it called? They have this color right here. And I like, at least the flowers, they look fresh. That's what we're talking about right now. Like they still have the little plastic thingy on them, so they still look intact.
I like this one.
You like this one?
Yeah, I think your mom would like that one. This one is giving mama because you know she's already wearing. I don't know.
Yeah, okay, I see what you're saying. Such pretty flowers. We both just got some flowers. They were $20. Where your flowers at? Who am I calling? Oh. The phone could answer and I wouldn't care. This is how our flowers look. This one's for Destiny, for our grandma, and then this one is for my mother. Super cute. I'm gonna wrap both of them so they can have their cute little Instagram type of bouquets instead of this paper right here. It's time for me to make my little wrappy thingy. I know I gotta go like this. So it's like this. It's like, I think it's something like this. And then I think it's something like that. Ha ha ha. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Damn. Y'all gotta make something like this. And then it's going to go around.
Hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hi.
No, you have to say, hi, my name is Paul. I'm Kayla's
my
dad.
name is Paul. I'm Kayla's dad.
My name is Carmen. I knew she was gonna say her name.
Look at them. Don't they look like twins? Yes. My YouTube channel. Relax. Relax. Let's not pull the. Oh God. Let's not pull the camera up. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Everything looks so good. I feel like I haven't eaten it in ages. Don't do a mukbang. Insane. Shout out to oh my God. Haitian people, they don't really know what to do. Haitian people. We bought a bottle. Huh? It's in the car. Oh. Yeah, we should have brought that inside. I'm not gonna lie. Cause it's like, I'm not gonna, the mimosa's not bad. It's just not, it's not giving mimosa. Now she just said that she wanna basically save her appetite for some liquor. Stop! What? In a whole bunch of words, that's basically what she just said. Like, she agrees. I do agree. I'm not even getting sick. I'm sure not. Not gonna do that one. Do you think we all look alike? Come on, smile so they can see you. I think it's a, yeah, right. Like, same thing, but different font.
I'm gonna rate my food. The eggs, I give 9 out of 10 because like it's kind of hard. The bacon, it's a 10 out of 10. It's crispy and it's good. The potato, 9.5 out of 10. Okay, so it's a 10 out of 10, but like 9.99999 because it was kind of weird. I like the potatoes and the bacon
Bro, it's so bright, bro.
They docked from the bowl.
That's not. Oh, it's a sorry.
My name is Joshua.
Don't say your last name.
Yeah, don't say your last name. That's introduce yourself.
Gang, gang. It's Moy.
And
who are you?
To everyone.
Uncle.
And
Father.
Father.
You're uncle and father of. Thank you.
I'm Nadia Noel, Kayla's mom. That's just too close.
It's not that close. It's not that close. It's not that close. Okay.
Thank you.
Is this better? It's too far.
Hi, I'm Nadia, Kayla's mom. Today is a great day. I get to spend time with my family, my mother-in-law, the extended family, and my beautiful daughter, Kayla.
You expecting me to be in Miami?
I was not expecting you to be in Miami, and it's definitely a treat. I am always happy to see you. Mwah. It's been a long time since I've seen you, and it's great. Today's a good day. I wish Benjamin was here with us.
Yeah, me too.
But he misses you very much, and you know, it's a great day.
It's a nice day. Yeah, what you? Yeah. Why are you trying to hide? The police not looking for you.
I got trust.
The way he rapped on the camera. Oh my God. Godfather.
And uncle.
And uncle.
Why are you closing your eyes? He's dead ass.
Look on God. She want to come with us bad, bro. Say hey.
What's up, y'all? I know y'all miss me. We in 2 different states, and now I'm gonna go to another state. Catch up with y'all later.
I'm finna go put my feet in the water.
Yeah, I'm fried. I'm fried, yes, fried. I'm fucked up, man. Shawty, she a vibe.